Number 4, we have the BISSELL SpinWave. The BISSELL SpinWave stands out with its dual-action cleaning system, combining powerful steam sanitization and rotating mop pads that spin up to 230 revolutions per minute. This design makes it highly effective for tackling tough, stuck-on messes without requiring manual scrubbing. It sanitizes floors by killing 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses, making it ideal for households with children or pets. The mop is user-friendly, featuring an intelligent LED display that shows steam levels, floor type, and water tank alerts. Its fingertip controls allow seamless switching between 2 steam levels or a no-steam mode for delicate surfaces. LED headlights and a swivel head enhance visibility and maneuverability, especially under furniture or along baseboards. The removable water tank heats up in just 20 seconds, providing efficient cleaning. Washable microfiber pads, scrubby for tough messes, and soft for delicate floors add convenience and sustainability. This mop excels on sealed hard floors like tile, laminate, marble, and stone,